Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, guys. Yesterday we saw that we had a CPI, which it was very aggressive. It was positive. That's why we saw the market pushing to the upside. So with that, it means that the dollar is very strong. So anything that was going against the dollar or any pair that was going with the dollar, obviously they paid the price, and which is not really good because we were also expecting to see this to push actually lower, but that did not really happen. But that is not really the end of the day. We are still going to be here and we are still going to be trading, right? So what's really happening on DXY? Before we go on that, you know what we do? We are going to check our economic news. But if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Let's see what's really happening. We had a very nice a day actually yesterday, but this week, guys, it was actually red on us. Things were not actually in our favor. Yesterday it was one of them. CPI went up and then we're expecting it to go down. Wednesday, which is today, we don't really have much. So tomorrow, which is Thursday, we're going to have employment change and also retail sales from the US. This will be very, it's very important, by the way. On Friday, we have PPI, right? We have PPI. Maybe that will change the way we see the market now, but already the market is actually pushing to the upside. So when we go on the CNBC just to check what's really happening, you can see that things were just going up and down. I can see here they say Bitcoin reached 50,000. That's crazy. 50k. Whoa, this it's actually breaking the records. While we are still on this Bitcoin, or when we are still on this crypto, we will come back here. Let's go to the break, and I want to show you something very great where you can make something. Cryptonomy is a comprehensive platform offering a multitude of cryptocurrency-related services designed to cater to diverse needs. It serves as a secure digital gateway for navigating the complexities of the crypto market, employing advanced security measures such as multi-layered encryption. Cryptonomy ensures the safety of user funds, fostering trust and confidence in every transaction. On their social medias like Twitter, or you can call it X, and Telegram, they keep the customers up to date and they keep it professional. Here's my account. We have flexible and fixed. Note that in fixed profit it is much better than flexible because it allows you to effectively use it during the entire period of validity of the deposit amount for lending to corporate clients and thereby ensure greater profits. Yeah, so let's make some deposit on our interest account. So you can see this is our interest account. So I will choose fixed here on fixed account. You can see the balance there. So on this fixed, I'm choosing it because it has the highest interest rates. So what I'm going to choose here, you can choose anyone here. You can deposit here. So I will just choose to deposit USDT. So because I like to trade that. So on this, you can see the amount that you have to place there. I want to place $500. So you can see the interest rates and the period. So the longer the period, obviously the higher the interest rates. So this is great. This is like way too great because just look at this, 12 months 59%. That's great. That's really aggressive. So let's push and I will accept. So you can see how much I'm going to get. It's 298 USDT, 59.6%. That's crazy. That's really good. This is seriously good. So I will click create. So the request is sent and then you're done. Great. There is also Launchpool, which allows users together with Cryptonomy to invest at an early stage and on loyal terms in IDO, IPO, IEO, and receive impressive profits from 3 times to unlimited profits. Let's go on deposit. It's easy to make deposit, and don't forget to use the correct network. Your Cryptonomy wallet funds are completely safe and insured. There is also a giveaway. Anyone who follows Twitter or X and using Cryptonomy platform has an opportunity to win up to $5,000 in paper or SHIB from 30th of May to 5th of June. I hope you're not gonna miss this one. Join the giveaway and get the opportunity to win up to $5,000 and start using a reliable platform for earning and using cryptocurrency, as well as opportunities in Launchpool where you can participate in IPOs and get unlimited profit. What are you waiting for? So in the description, there is everything that you need to go straight to the platform. There's links, so I will link them down there. So go check that and start eating. So go on that, guys, and check the Cryptonomy on my description. You will find the links. Sign up on that and try to check that interest account, because those interest, guys, they are like seriously high and you can make something. And fixed is the one that I actually like. So yeah, we were on CNBC actually. So on CNBC, we can see that, okay, Bitcoin, it's actually flying, going up, and we can easily check other markets like Dow Jones closed at highest level. Nope, this thing was going down yesterday. I don't know what they're talking about there. So yeah, you can also check here what's really happening so that you can understand what's really happening in the market, right? So we did cover our economic calendar, which means we just need to go straight to our charts. See, guys, here you will see that the market is actually flying. The market was actually pushing to the upside. And I've been preaching about this, that yes, there is a chance that the market can do what? The market can just continue with this bullish momentum. But my expectation, what I wanted the market to do was actually a nice sell, but that did not really happen. But we can't do anything. We can't do anything. We just have to come back on the market and respect the market. We just have to come here and respect the market, and we continue. We don't really have to fight the market because we don't really decide, right? So what's really happening here is we are on DXY. The market was going down. This is getting old now, you can see. So what's really happening, we had a nice breakout. The market did consolidate. After that, you can see that also here we see that the market broke out. This was a start of the confirmation that, you know what, the market will be starting to push the upside. Lucky enough, we had CPI, but after that we no longer have any aggressive news, except on Friday we're gonna have retail sales, but not really aggressive. But you will start to understand that since we see this breakout here, you will start to realize that no, man, indeed the market is now following this uptrend. It seems like the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. But what I like about this is we know very well that going further around June, May there are going to be those statements where they will say, yeah, now maybe we think we're going to cut the rates here and there, maybe June, after June, and then it's where we are going to start to look for those sells. Maybe June is far. Maybe next month we're going to have CPI, which is going to be negative. Then we will see the market trying to change. But just know that one economic news won't just change the overall structure. If this is an uptrend, most likely the market will just continue. If it sells, it will sell, then continues with that trend until they say, okay, it's time for us to do what? To cut those rates. So we are still bullish. The dollar is very, very, very bullish. So what I see here is the market might just come around this area, test here before pushing to the upside. So another one here is let's push to the next one, which is actually USD JPY. I don't really want to make this video very long, guys. Please, on that Cryptonomy, guys. So I will say the first 20 people who are going to join there, the first 20 people who are going to join with the links below, I will be actually giving you the system. It's not a free system, but it's a system that is going to help you. It's an MT4 system, so go sign up with that. Let me know that I signed with that, so give me the system. I signed with that. You will show me that you can take the screenshot if you signed with that, then you can actually get the system, right? So now we are on USD JPY. Same thing here. We can see that yes, the market is now pushing to the upside. We come in from that downtrend. Now we are on that uptrend. We can easily see that yes, the market actually is pushing to the upside, and we saw this breakout. We've been holding this for quite longer. This is actually what we got right. The market has been playing around this level. You saw that even yesterday we were still holding on this. So now the market pushed to the upside. So what I see here is I can say let's check this average where the market can actually reverse. Let's check the average. This average here, average move, right? So we're going to check this and see. Okay, it makes sense. You can see this level. Let me just copy this. Let me just duplicate this. So yeah, that can be a proper resistance there. Let's try this here. You can see this is the average move actually. So it means around this level, it's where we're going to place our resistance. Why? Because this is mostly the average that the market is giving us. So we're expecting to see the market reversing there. So don't buy there, because even though we are on this uptrend, the market can still reverse, retest here before doing its thing. The market can just continue like that. So you have to be careful when you just buy. Yes, we are on an uptrend. We're still expecting for those buys. Remember, guys, another thing that I always talk about is most of the time is you think, like yesterday I said, oh, I am thinking that the market will be pushing down, or maybe let's say CPI is gonna go down, right? But just because I said something like that, when we go on the chart, make sure that you follow what you see on the chart. That's why, like here, we were still on that buy. On the other ones, the market was actually on our support area. That's why we were thinking about buying. So which means it was a bit confusing there. So most likely follow what you see, not what you think. Even if what you think makes sense, but follow what you think, what you see on the chart. Because like here, you can see that, yeah, what you think, maybe you might say, this thing is still on bullish. Yes, it's still on bullish, but we have this resistance, which might push the market to go a little bit lower before pushing to the upside. Do you see that? And it's something that might happen, you see. So try to play around with your emotions. Your emotions sometimes can overpower the way you see things, you see. And that can be something very, very brutal, especially when you trade, because you will be losing some real cash, not some, unless if maybe trading with demo accounts, you see. So now we are on GBPUSD. What's really happening? You can easily see that, yes, the market is actually on GBPUSD. Oh, sorry. Yeah, now I'm somewhere. So we are on GBPUSD. You can easily see that, yes, the market was on this nice uptrend, and now we have this breakout. The market tried to come back there, but you can see that the market was playing games. What I like about GBP is it is quite stronger. Instead of seeing those crazy sells, they never happened here. But what we can say is we are going to try to avoid whatever that we see here. We are going to avoid this area and start to draw the new one. We're going to draw our new one here. I'm going to draw a new resistance around this level. You see that? So now we have this. Let me clear that. Or let me just take it back. Something like that. So that we don't really forget what's really happening. Or, okay, let me just put it like that. Okay. So what we have here is, yes, we have a proper breakout. We saw that the market was trying to go back again, playing games around this level. So for us to say we need to sell, because we can see that, yes, it's a breakout, nice retest there, but the market doesn't really want to break this area. We need to see the market getting out of this area. Why? Because the market might just play around this area and end up pushing to the upside. So for us to avoid that, we need to see the market breaking out of this support area. Then we will say, you know what, now we are on a sell. Even though we can see that, yes, the market did give us some proper breakouts, but since the market is still playing games, already the market gave us a clue there, so we are going to use that. And if the market breaks, then we are going to go all in, and we are going to look for that sell, because there is a possibility that the market can still push to the upside. But what I see here is this is a proper breakout. We're just waiting for the market to show us the way, then we will follow. So Euro USD, this is the one that actually gave us some very nice structure. After that uptrend, now we are on this push to the lower side. Not really aggressive push like what we saw on gold and Nasdaq, but what I like here is it shows that, yes, the market is actually pushing lower. What are we going to do here? We are going to look for a sell below this area. If the market continues, we're going to look for that sell. We are no longer going to look for any reversal, because we can see that the market respected this area. So which means, yes, that sell is confirmed. We are going to look for that sell. Do you see that? I hope you see that. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to place this notification so that I don't really forget this. Let's push to the next one. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening on gold? Yeah, gold has been playing games with us. Yes, this thing actually did give us some proper sell yesterday, but I wasn't going to jump on that. Why? Because our direction was we need to look for a buy. But I did warn everyone that, guys, you see that things are not going well, especially this week. So you're not forced to take any trade. So you can just relax, because at the end of the day, we might just increase the losses. But what we see here is we had a proper structure, guys. We had a very nice bullish structure, which it was very straightforward. The market was respecting this area. You can see that the market did touch the support several times. So our idea of saying, okay, we're expecting to see the market buying, it was not really wrong, because the market was just playing around our support area. The market was just playing around our support area, and before that, the market acted like it was respecting that. So as we know, gold, it's very sensitive to this economic news. We see it actually aggressively selling, and we were not just going to jump on that. Why? Because when you start to jump on the market after you took a loss or after you were wrong, most likely you're gonna use your emotions. So for us to stay out of that, or for us to not to be greedy, we just stop. It's just only 2 or 3 candlesticks. Just stop. We still have enough time in the game. It's not like just because there was CPI and there was a good move or there was something very nice, it doesn't really mean that maybe we will never get something nice. No, we will still get something very nice, you see. So let's push to the next one, which is actually... what? This thing is now getting slower and slower. What's really happening? Come on. US30. Okay, so now we are on US30. It seems like, sorry guys, it seems like my PC, I don't know if it's my PC or something, or this trading view. But what's really happening here is we are on US30 and the market has been pushing to the upside. I was expecting it to push even higher yesterday around this level, but no, the market did break out. The market did break out here. So, but with this reversal, we are on this support area. But beside that, beside this horizontal support, we also have this diagonal structure. You can see that we have this diagonal structure, which shows us that, you know what, it's been there for quite some time and the market did touch that. So I'm expecting to see a nice reversal. Why we see this nice reversal? Because companies are performing very well in the US30s and Nasdaq. So that's why we see them reversing very nice. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside. So I think this will be a very, very nice buy. So let's push to the next one very quick so that I need to send this in the group. So if you are in the group, just know that, yeah, it's time for you to eat. Maybe we can recover whatever that we lost yesterday. or this week. So let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq. You can see even Nasdaq here, it actually touched, let me remove that horizontal. It actually touched our support area, the one that we had, our counter, this inner one. So you can see that now the market is about to do what? It's about to fly, and we need to eat on that. We need to actually take that serious. So I'm not going to waste any time here. So don't forget that we have this promo on, you saw the advert. So what you can do is go on Cryptonomy, use the links in the description, open the account, then let me know that Kenzo, I opened the account, I signed up, I did whatever. You can even deposit. It's crypto, so you know how crypto works, right? You can also invest where maybe you want some serious interest rates for those who wants to actually hold their crypto for quite longer. Then let me know, and then I will be giving you that system. It's MT4 system, but you can trade all the currency pairs, the Nasdaq, the gold, everything, right? So now on Nasdaq, we are looking for the market to push to the upside. Why? Because you can see that the market is playing around our support area. And yes, unfortunately, the market reversed from the top there. So I'm expecting to see the market reversing again and giving us some very nice push. Already this video is very long, guys. I'm no longer going to continue to show you some other things. So I'm expecting to see the market pushing up. Plus, I need to send the signals very quick. Anyways, if you want to join our signals, here's the packages. You can just smash, you can just pause the video, but don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I will see you on the next one. Bye.